Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Doordash app for drivers. So on your Play Store or App Store on your iOS, so I'm on my Android, I'm going to use the Google Play Store. You can use the App Store on the iOS. What you want to do is come here on search and search for, Doordash driver app. And basically you want to open up the app that says Doordash Dasher. Okay, this is the Dasher app. This is for drivers. You're gonna come here and click on install, and it should start downloading immediately. And once it's done installing, guys, I will open it up, and basically this is the app you want to be using. This is the driver app. This is not the customer Dasher app. This is the one for drivers, and you can start earning from this app and get orders from here. Okay, so it's gonna be it's almost done at downloading, and it will start installing in just a few moments. And you can see it has pretty good reviews, and a lot of drivers are using this app currently. So it's almost done installing, and then I'll open it up for you guys once it's done installing. I'll show you what you're supposed to be doing. Basically, once it's done installing, guys, you just want to log in with your driver credentials, which you will get after you have been approved via email. So it is that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.